Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Garima Soni. Let's look at today's top health news. NCDRC orders Rs 7.5 lakh compensation from nursing home for negligence, reinstates anesthetist. The National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission upheld a compensation of Rs 7.5 lakh imposed by the State Consumer Court, West Bengal, on a nursing home for deficiency in service due to lapses in the treatment of a patient who died during gallbladder surgery. The Apex Consumer Court, however, modified the State Commission's order by setting aside the recommendation to the State Medical Council to suspend the treating anesthetist's registration for 3 years. The allegations of medical negligence have also been duly examined by the medical experts, and the lapses of the OPs in providing treatment to the patient have been established. The Learner State Commission went into details and passed a well-reasoned order to bringing out the negligence and deficiency in service with respect to treating the patient. I therefore find no reason to interfere with the order of Learned State Commission except with respect to certain penal actions against respondent number 3. Therefore, I modify the order of Learned State Commission to the extent that we also recommend to West Bengal Medical Council to suspend the registration of Dr. Chaudhary for a period of 3 years with immediate effect, debarring her from practicing for the said period. Let her exercise some remorse when she will be debarred from practicing is set aside. The present revision petition number 1171 of 2022 is disposed of accordingly. Ordered the Apex Consumer Court. It was alleged by the complainant that 2 doctors were responsible for his mother's death in the operation theatre due to medical negligence. He argued that 5 teeth of the patient were broken during the procedure and she died due to anesthesia reversal failure. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.